Well, we're gonna go try wheat. We've got a lot of rain. It's harvest time for wheat, but I don't know what the moisture is going to be, so we're at least going to cut some, take a sample, run it to the local granary, and see if it's dry enough. We may put some in the bin, I don't know. We'll just have to make that decision when we get there. So it's wheat time. Granary. I got a sample I'm gonna have tested. If it's under 15 or under, we're gonna roll. If it's over, we may put in the bin. I don't know. Probably won't get much cut anyways today, as late as it's already got. We are 15.9. I think time we get back and cut was kind of cutting in the shade. I think we're going to be good. He told me go ahead and cut a load. So we're going to go get the grain cart and the semi. Well, we got a little convoy going here. So we're going to try to get a load off before 4 o'clock. That's when they close up there. I'm sure if it's going to be a little after 4, I can call up there and they'll still wait on me, but that's the plans. Cut a load, fill that up right there, and maybe fill another truck up this afternoon. Waiting for them. And no, we don't unload on the go. We got an 80-year-old combine driver on there. Yes, I've been demoted to truck driver and fetcher. They parked that truck down here and semi's way up there, so I had to walk and get it. Alright, enough of that. Well, he don't know which side to load from. He's still learning. Sometimes he has a listening problem, but I guess that's alright. I think he's way over. Looks like he's on the tarp. No, he's not. Give it some throttle, there you go. There's a John Deere header down the road. start, I guess, until we get the truck full. Had a little minor breakdown, put us down for about an hour. Broke a bolt and lost a bolt in the wobble box that runs the blade. So we had to get the bolt out and had to put them in, ready to go. Well, we got one load cut. The grinder decided to stay open to 6. So I'm gonna get one load hauled off, maybe get another one cut before the night's over with. Well, Lawrenceburg ain't that busy for a Saturday afternoon, 5 o'clock-ish, somewhere around there. I was kind of dreading it. Oh well. Well, we made it. Kind of anticipating the line, but it's like we're the only ones here besides what's loading and weighing out. But let's get weighed in and see what our moisture is and blah 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 and unload. We unloading in the swing auger. I ain't never done that before. Waiting there to get unloaded. Moisture was 15.3, still not where I wanted. Test weight 55. So we're going to try to probably load up another load and that'll be it. Maybe get grain cart load when I get back. They should have me about 3/4 of a load when I get back. I got a grain cart full and a combine full waiting on me. That don't look good right there. Almost flat. Full up here and we got some on the grain cart. We're going to fill it and quit, and should be back 1 o'clock tomorrow. The granary is going to open back up, so I'll haul that load over there and then we'll come back, maybe finish this field. Pretty sunset, ain't it? Well, it's Sunday afternoon, Father's Day. Come up here to see if we can run. I don't think we can. The stalk feels a little damp. Well, just pulled it all up. So I'm gonna get a head over here and see how good it'll thresh and the moisture on it. And we're gonna make a call. We're gonna see if it will thresh. That's a no-go. So we are done until we can get back in the field. High chances of rain all this week, so I don't know when we can. So don't know how much footage I got. We're gonna call this video. This come out on Monday, but happy Father's Day to everybody. And we'll get this whenever we can. But like I said, it it's not threshing good, a little bit. And the elevator was gonna stay open, but everybody else got a big rain, and we're getting sprinkles. And he told me if we could thresh, he'd go open up for us. But so thanks for watching. God bless you, and we'll catch you on the next one. Well, we working on the header. We wanted to raise the reel without getting the combine around here, so we just hooked the tractor to it.